Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the Legion Go so docking is smooth. First, make sure the battery is above 20% and the dock's power brick is plugged into AC. This prevents power drops during the handshake. Next, close any active games and set the tablet in landscape so the ports line up. Once done, visually inspect the dock and device ports for dust or loose debris and clear with short bursts of compressed air. This reduces connection resistance and increases reliability. Now align and connect the device deliberately. Hold the Legion Go with 2 hands, bringing the top edge level with the dock lip and guiding the USB-C plug straight in. This prevents bent pins. Gently push until you feel a light click. Do not rotate or force the unit, as that can damage connectors. After seating, pause and watch the dock LEDs and the Legion Go screen. These confirm power, video output, and controller sync. If the screen flickers, give it a moment to negotiate the signal. Finish by verifying the system's state and peripherals. Open display and audio settings to confirm external monitor resolution and sound output, and check controller mapping so inputs behave as expected. Secure Ethernet, HDMI, USB peripherals, and headphones to avoid accidental disconnection. If something fails, try a simple troubleshoot. Reseat the Legion Go in the dock, power cycle the dock and the device, and confirm the dock power LED is steady. If issues persist, swap the USB-C cable or test the dock with another compatible unit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.